Okay, morning everybody. I think it's July 4th. Happy 4th to everybody. Just update, I guess. Alright, I took this, and this is stock form of this tail light, and I got it tinted. And most people know the cherry red that the newer Phaetons are in, so it kind of mimics that look. Yeah, it's pretty good. I actually like it a lot better. Still got functionality you can see out of it and all that. Ain't no problem. Um, so just just overall pretty cool. Right now, I think the only thing I'm working on with this is the front ride height while driving. Um, Pretty much with this one, I got to get the front a little bit lower, but the back is where I want it. Right now, it's not at regular height because the car auto levels itself. So yeah, when you're on the road, it's a little bit lower in the back, and of course the front, I mean, is a little bit lower also. Um, yeah, I got that tail light tinted yesterday, and for the truck, all right, the truck. Oh yeah, quick review on these Alpha Rexes right here. They're pretty good. I know a lot of people complain about adjustability. For Toyota applications, you have the same adjustability as factory, which is up and down. There is no side to side. So, and then for this, which is better than the Morimotos, you can use those. On the Morimotos, you got to drill holes, and you drill holes and you miss. Good luck. So, yeah, pretty much, it's pretty cool. The high beam is lackluster, but I deal with it. I always said I was gonna get like a light bar anyways. Forget the vehicles for being dirty. I'm in Chattanooga and it rains. So when it rains, it never just stopped raining. So, and I use these quite often. See the bug guts, and you saw the bug guts on the other car. These got tinted as well. But these are a wee bit darker. You still see some red, but not as much. They shine well too. Have no problem. I like them. They're pretty cool, and it goes for what I'm going for. I'm going to get rid of these wheels and go for something that is less commonly ran. So yeah, these wheels will be gone soon. So hopefully I'll get to it soon. These tires, they don't seem to want to die. Let's see what this is. A piece of rubber, I think. I don't even want to pull that back. Yeah, it's a piece of rubber. But yeah. But yeah, they don't want to die. These have like almost, what's on my odometer? That's close to 80,000 miles on it, and they don't want to die. So yeah, but pretty much the wheels, like I said, I got an early batch of these anyway, so it's whatever. I guess quality control wasn't whatever, I don't know. But yeah, the clear coat on these are not the best, but you know, can't complain, I guess. I don't know. But yeah. Yeah, but for tires, I think I'm gonna stick with these anyways, because these are pretty good. Quiet on the highway for me. I know other people complain, but I don't. And that's pretty much it. Let's see here. Honest, let's see here. That's about it. Yeah, I went to a car show. And kind of got the crowd's attention. And yeah, bucks, more bucks. Yeah, that's gonna get I guess cleaned sooner or later. I'm not even gonna fool with it. I'm gonna let somebody else do it. I don't feel like doing it. Well, I might do it, but I don't know. But yeah, that's about it. Everything that held up well. Can't complain. This is a driver. It drives. And I'm not a wuss, so I'm like, oh my God, park your car. No, never. But yeah, and I'll turn the camera on myself. Yeah. Excuse the corona fro. Yeah, but yeah, just being safe. So, but pretty much, oh yeah, the trap box, the Toyota Camry. Yeah, that's that car has actually got some upgrades too. It's right now it's getting detailed. That thing was filthy. The seats are out, the carpet is out. It's getting totally detailed, and I'm gonna actually keep that one too. I'm gonna make it look a little neat. I'm debating between 19 and 20-inch wheels for it. So hopefully I'll decide soon. But I'm gonna go with a different color for that too. And when I get that car back, I'll do a highlight of the upgrades for that, because this is very interesting. I had some previous upgrades I couldn't get rid of, so I decided to just put them on, and they turned out pretty good. I'm glad I got them. So I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. As far as wheel choice, I'm undecided, but I'm gonna go with something different. Either red gold, or was it red, gold, or bronze? Yeah, I decided between those colors, and that's just because I'm tired of black wheels. Like everybody got black wheels. Yeah, the Phaeton's gonna keep its black wheels because the design is kind of like timeless to me, so it's fine, and it goes with the car. The truck is a little radical. I don't care. It's gonna go with some. It's gonna go with some red wheels on the truck. But that's all I have. I'm not really good with this camera thing at the moment, but I don't make this thing for money or anything like that. I just do it for fun. So, all right. I will. I would probably shoot another one because there's some things I wanna kind of show people too. Because I actually have like people found me and actually like asked me questions. So I'm gonna answer some questions. Okay. All right. Y'all have a nice day. Turn this around.